All right, go.
My name is Selena Estrada,
And I'm Fabiola Santiago.
and this is our chemistry project for Mr. Aviles' period 2. Okay. And
The ingredients you need are baking soda and vinegar, preferably Arm & Hammer and Heinz. And this size will work perfectly.
Okay, now what you need to do, since we are making a little homemade bomb here with a bottled water, you need to place some baking powder, soda.
In the middle of a napkin to its thinnest layer.
Evenly spread it out.
Then you must roll it.
Okay, shortly. As thinly as possible.
So in order to fit in this hole, that we use the water.
Okay.
Then you fill up the water bottle to its stir line with vinegar.
Okay. You need to fill it up to the third line, which is there.
Stop.
Now,
Set it. Set it.
okay. Okay. You need to find a way to put this inside if it's too thick.
Or so like that. They leave an opening out so you can still be able to.
Now you need to take it
And put it
and throw it.
Take it, wait till you feel the pressure on the bottle. There we go.